In this video, we will learn about C Sharp, what it is, how it is used, and the types of software and games you can create with it. We will explain everything in a simple and easy to understand way, so even if you are new to programming, you can follow along. By the end of this video, you will have a good idea of why C Sharp is such a powerful and popular programming language. C Sharp is a programming language created by Microsoft in the year 2000. It is one of the most popular and widely used programming languages in the world. Programming languages are like instructions that we give to computers, telling them what to do. Just like we use English or any other language to communicate with people, computers use programming languages to understand and execute tasks. One of the reasons why C Sharp is so popular is because it is easy to learn and use, especially for beginners. It is designed to be simple and readable, making it a great choice for people who are just starting out with coding. At the same time, C Sharp is also powerful, allowing developers to create a wide range of applications, from basic programs to complex software. Many developers use C Sharp to create games, apps, and websites. It is widely used in Windows applications, web applications, and mobile applications. C Sharp is also a key language in game development, thanks to the Unity game engine, which allows developers to create games for mobile phones, computers, and even gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. One of the best things about C Sharp is that it is used in Unity, one of the most powerful game engines in the world. If you've ever played games like Temple Run, Angry Birds, or Pokemon Go, then you've already seen what C Sharp can do. Many famous games are built using Unity, and because C Sharp is the main programming language for Unity, it is a great choice for anyone who wants to become a game developer. Besides games, C Sharp is used to create desktop applications that run on Windows computers. For example, Microsoft itself uses C Sharp for many of its applications, including tools like Microsoft Office and Visual Studio. Companies use C Sharp to build software for businesses like accounting programs, customer management systems, and other useful applications that help companies work more efficiently. C Sharp is also used in web development, which means it helps create and manage websites. Some of the biggest websites in the world use C Sharp because it allows developers to build secure and powerful web applications. If you've ever used an online shopping website, a banking system, or even an educational platform, there is a good chance that C Sharp played a role in making it work. Another exciting thing about C Sharp is that it is also used for mobile app development. With the Xamarin Framework, developers can use C Sharp to create mobile apps for both Android and iOS. This means that one programming language can be used to build apps that work on different types of phones, making it a great tool for app developers. Because C Sharp is so powerful and versatile, many companies use it in artificial intelligence, AI, virtual reality, VR, and cloud computing. It is a language that keeps growing, and learning C Sharp can open the door to many exciting career opportunities. Whether you want to build video games, mobile apps, websites, or business applications, C Sharp is a great language to learn. If you are interested in learning programming, C Sharp is one of the best places to start. It is easy to understand, widely used, and allows you to create amazing projects. Whether you dream of building your own game, designing an app, or working on advanced technology like AI, C Sharp can help you get there.